Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see the concept of binary semaphore. Guys, what is the meaning of binary? Binary means simply 2, which I can say that as 0 or 1. Means, as here we have two possibilities. We are not going to use it for counting. But if you look into the earlier video, whereas counting semaphore, we are using it for counting. Then why we are using the binary semaphore? This will be generally used for mutual exclusive property. Right? Hope you understood what is the meaning of mutual exclusion. Means at any point of time, if there is any shared resource is there, only one process can able to access that shared resource. For that purpose, we can able to work with this particular binary semaphore. For example, let's say P0 is in the critical section and P1, P2, P3 are waiting outside. Right? If somebody wants to enter the critical section, it has to come out. Then it will be given chance to the next particular process. Right? Yes. So let's analyze the code. And I am trying to write the algorithm now. So let's see. I am trying to write the structure. Structure name is binary semaphore, and it is allowing two values only, right? So I can go with enum concept. Enum value where it can allow two values 0, 1, and you know all the blocked processes are going to maintain the queue so that you can avoid the starvation, and I am giving the name as L. And when a process wants to enter into the critical section, I will perform the down operation, down on binary semaphore, yes, and if s dot value is equal to 1, I will make it modify it as 0, and I will enter into the critical section. Guys, just make a note of it. I will analyze it once again. Else, I am going to put the process into the queue. Right? I am going to put the process into the queue s dot l, and then I will go for sleep. Right? If it completes its critical section, it can perform the up operation, and it can perform on the variable binary semaphore. Yes, again, if that list is empty, then I can make voluntarily as 1 so that others can use it. Else I will select the process from list and I will perform wake up operation. Right? This is the algorithm for binary semaphore, guys. So if you are able to understood why I am calling it as binary semaphore, here this particular algorithm is taking the values only either 0 or 1. Right? If I say that 1, which means the resource is available, means I can say that can able to enter into critical section. Means when you are going to observe the value 1, you can freely enter into critical section. If I say that 0, I can say it as not available. You are not allowed to enter into critical section, which I can say that there will be some process which is already using the critical section. And the queue here I am using for to maintain various kind of blocked process if some process is there inside the critical section. Now observe, guys, if you take some processes, something like P0, P1, P2, P3 and so on. If P0 wants to enter inside the critical section, it will check here what is the value of, assume that initial value will be 1. If s dot value equal to 1, which means that what? There are no process inside the critical section, then I will execute this line of code by making the s dot value as 0. Now P0 entered. Now it entered the critical section. Good. Now some other process wants to enter into critical section. P1 came, and is s dot value is equal to 1. No, it is equal to 0. Then it will put into the queue P1. It will put into the queue called L. Right? Next somebody will come, P2 will come and which also put into the queue, and P3 will come which also put into the queue. Like that it will perform. Now suppose for example P0 wants to comes out, then it will execute. Is S dot L is empty? No, it is not at all empty. Then it is going to execute the case, select a process from the L, right? Which means P1 will select and will add it here by making by performing the wake up operation. Now again P1 wants to come out. Is S dot L is empty? No. Then it will perform one of the wake up call. Yes. P2 will come and executing. Once again it wants to come out. Then it will check. Is S dot L is empty? No. Then it will select one of the process. That will be P3 and enter into the process. Next it wants to come out from this one. Is S dot L is empty? Yes. It is empty. Then S dot value as modified as 1. Right? So like this it only allows one process inside the critical section. That is what the meaning of binary semaphore. Guys, so in further videos we will see various kind of gate related questions so that you can get more clarity on this binary semaphore and counting semaphore. Hope you understood this algorithm clearly. Thank you.